My name's David. My background is, for the last almost 25 years, I've been involved in running programs for elite sporting teams. But prior to that, I worked in a tactical operations environment and also an elite sporting competitive environment. So for almost 2 decades, I've been training at an elite level. Discomfort in training and pushing your body from a physical perspective and a mental perspective was part and parcel of the training regime. And you don't unlearn that. In fact, you still, to a degree, you crave that. That gives you that euphoria at the end of the training, knowing that you've worked really hard. I think the key difference is understanding the body, particularly when there's soreness and what that might mean, and injury and what that might mean. And the prevention activity you undertake, post-training activity, is something we're more acutely aware of as we get older. So I've had 2 meniscus surgeries on the same knee. The first one over 10 years ago was to repair the meniscus tear. The recovery process for that was quite rudimentary. It involved what I think most people have all used out of their freezer, which is a bag of frozen peas to reduce the swelling, and also used ice in a plastic bag as well. Some of the difficulties with that, of course, is the mess, and also the thing I noticed was it's quite localised. So where you're icing just one small part of the injury area, you're trying to recover. Whereas this time around with the RE3, I noticed a significant difference in the coverage of the icing, which makes quite a difference in terms of recovery and how the wound is feeling. But also the brace. The brace was significant in terms of giving you that confidence that, one, there was stabilisation of the joint, and it was holding the ice in a firm position. And I recovered second time around much more quickly due to the use of the RE3, the way the brace in particular was able to support my recovery and movement. And I tracked well and truly ahead of the proposed recovery schedule, much to the chagrin of my physiotherapist, of course. But like everyone, recovery is frustrating. The quicker you can get back to normal, the better. It's better for your health and you're better for your mental state as well. So I was really pleased with the advanced recovery period that I undertook, and the results were terrific in terms of that time frame. One of the key benefits of the RE3 is that reduction in swelling, and that allows you then to improve your flexibility and vis-a-vis the amount of load you can bear when you're starting to recover. It was an essential element of my recovery period. The swelling, particularly this time around in comparison to the first time I had the operation, was stark. It was so different and so much better. Outside of surgery, just general recovery for post-training, and if you're experiencing general soreness, for me, I know I have used the RE3 post long runs when I'm feeling a little bit of fatigue in the joint, and I found it again to be really helpful both from a physical perspective and a mental perspective. It makes you feel good, and that's a really nice thing, and I recommend that to my friends that I train with as well, that if you start to feel it now and in terms of longevity and recovery, it's a great idea to ice.